I'm going to teach you how to stop losing money trading when you're up in profits. So you need to start looking at trading in money basis, right? Stop looking at percentages. I'm going to tell you why. If your account is $1,000, this is your balance. This is your trading account, right? What you have heard online, risk 1 to 2%. What the fuck is 1% of this, bro? $10? You're going to risk $10. Yeah, good job, buddy. You're going to take about 10 years to catch up. That is the wrong approach. That only works if you have big money. If you have 100,000 plus, $1,000,000, whatever the case may be, okay, 1-2% is still a lot of money. There we make sense. But when you have little money, you don't worry about percentages, bro. Instead, do this. So there's 20 trading days in a month, right? So let's say, same example, your account is $1,000, right? There's 20 trading days because weekends don't count. So how many times does 20 go into 1,000? Easy. I'll make it easy for you. 50 times, right? So that means you're going to risk $50 per setup, right? This is the amount of money that you need every single day. How many times haven't you been up that amount and you don't close because you failed to realize that if you do this 20 times, you get to this number at the end of the month. But guess what? You're greedy. You want hundreds of dollars off of your $30 balance on your trading account. Yeah, good job. Keep chasing that. That is not consistent over a period of time. Now, what's going to happen? You're going to risk $50 per setup at a 1-to-1, right? 1-to-1 risk to reward trade, right? You're going to be up $50 profit, right? So you're going to be up $50 profit at a 1-to-1. That's all you need every single day. A 1-to-1 risk to reward trade to make $50, which at the end of the month is going to equal to $1,000. What can you do with $1,000 extra right now? Probably pay your car note. You probably pay your car insurance. You probably pay your light bill. This is how you start becoming profitable. You start paying small bills, and then over time, you start adding more and more and more, but progressively, right? You niggas want to go from having $50 today to 50 million tomorrow. Doesn't work that way. You're going to be in an endless cycle of losing and losing until you start realizing this is what trading is understanding how to progressively grow step by step.
Here's how you can start trading smart and finally pass your prop firm challenge. If you're 18 to 35, listen up. First thing you're going to do is grab the Pips Gravity Mastermind trading plan, link in bio. Once you're in, go straight to the market structure section so you can finally read the charts like a pro. Next, dive into the liquidity and fair value gap chapters. This is where you'll learn how the big banks move the market and how to catch the move before it happens. Then, use our entry technique guide to time your trades with sniper accuracy. No more random entries, no more gambling. Finally, follow our trade management steps to protect profits and scale your account steadily. If you're tired of blowing accounts and failing challenges, this is your wake-up call. Pips Gravity Mastermind. Get it now and start trading like the top 1%.